So first of all, what we're going to do is we're going to melt our beeswax. I'm melting the beeswax on a very low heat so that it doesn't burn. I'm melting the beeswax on a very low heat so that it doesn't burn. Okay, so the beeswax is melted. I love the smell of beeswax. It just reminds me of nature. Okay, so now what we've got to do is we've got to add our coconut oil, our cocoa butter, our olive oil, and our lanolin. So I'm going to start with my coconut oil. And then my lanolin. And then we'll just melt this down. Once again, just on a low heat. We're nearly there. I'm just waiting for one last piece of cocoa butter to melt. Okay, so that's all melted. Now I'm going to pour my mixture into my chilled bowl that I've had in the freezer. Okay, I've poured my melted solution into my chilled bowl, and now I'm going to add my bentonite clay and my zinc oxide. And blend in. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this mixture in the freezer for 5 to 10 minutes and let it just cool down. So my mixture is starting to thicken now. As you can see, it's starting to develop into a cream. I'm going to be placing it in the freezer for a few more minutes so that I can get it thicker. So the cream is now ready. I put it in the fridge and then I let it just do its thing. The only thing that I'm going to suggest that you do is mix it with an electric blender, because it has got some fine, tiny little lumps in it from the powders that hasn't actually incorporated very well. But yeah, it's a lovely thick barrier cream that you can use on baby. And I'm sure it's going to do the trick for all of you that's got nappy rashes, babies with nappy rashes. Enjoy.